All right, let's go ahead and walk through this color change process. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and slice the print, and then we want to go up to our preview tab. And from our preview tab, we're going to use our slider on the right side to find where the layer changes happen. So we're just looking for where the print changes so we can know where we need to make that color change. So right here we see that that victory detail comes in at layer 5. You can see that on the slider there, right there on the right side. So we're going to note that for later. That's where we're going to make our first change. And now we're going to look for where that second spot is. So we just keep moving the slider till we find that spot, and right there you can see that change is happening on layer 9. So we're going to note layer 9. We're going to come up to extensions up here at the top. We're going to go to post-processing, then modify G-code. On the left side, we're going to click add script, and we're going to use filament change. Once you click on filament change, set your layer to 5, which is going to be our first change. Add script, filament change again, and then layer 9 for our second change. On my machine, what that does is that pauses the machine at those specific layers, allows me to change the color of filament, then allows me to do a purge to purge out any old filament that was in there from the other color, and then resume print. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.